Today I'm trying 3 new bourbons that I've never tried before. Angel Envy, Pinhook High Proof, and Knob Creek 12 year. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this Angel Envy. This Angel Envy is 86.6 proof. This is the entry level Angel's Envy. Find it about $46 to $50 per bottle. I found it on sale for the $46, so that's the only reason to pick this one up. Go ahead and pop the cork. It's very sweet, like a dark brown sugar molasses. It's a very nice color. There's some fruit, cherry maybe. The palate, it's not as sweet as the nose was. Definitely some cherry. Oakiness really comes out of the taste too. So this bourbon is interesting. The port finish on it, it's pretty mild. At $46 a barrel, it's pushing the price I would pay. Maybe if you could get it on discount, it'd be worth. It reminds me a lot of Wolcott, which you can get for $27 to $30 a bottle. Do I have any of that? Well, this wouldn't be a fair comparison. This is the Wolcott Rickhouse. It's going to be a completely different bourbon than this here, but it would definitely be worthwhile to pick up a Wolcott for 29 bucks instead of this Angel's Envy. What the hell? Let's go ahead and compare two $50 bottles of bourbon against each other. Completely different nose. This one's much higher proof. This one is 120 proof. That is all spice, oak, a little bit of smoke, no fruit. Now that's a delicious bourbon for 50 bucks. Same spice, cinnamon on the palate. All in all, very good. Much prefer the Wolcott Rickhouse over Angel's Envy for the same price. Okay, let's go ahead and do the Pinhook High Proof. This is 116 proof. Go ahead and get it open. Pop the top on this. Very nice pop sound. It's a lot of Christmas spices, cinnamon and nutmeg. Very mild tropical fruit smells, like mango and a little bit of candy smell. Oh wow, that has some flavor. It's very oaky, very fruity. Spices come through. It'd be smart to proof that one down a little bit with some water. Oh no, that is a very good bottle. I believe that cost me right in that $50 range also. Now, let's go to the one everyone's been telling me I had to buy. This is Knob Creek 12. I did overpay for this one just a little bit. I think I paid $66 and it should be $60. Very good cork pop on that too. Oh wow. That is very oaky. Very sweet smelling too. Let's give this one a try. Now I know why everyone told me I needed to try this. This is very good. Very smooth. Very spicy. More of that cinnamon. Maybe a little bit of candied fruit. So, of the three the video was supposed to be about, clear winner, Knob Creek. And I'd say the Pinhook comes in second, and this Angel Envy, it's good. Not worth the money they're charging for it. Pick up the very cheap Wolcott, and I think you'd be just as happy with it over the Angel Envy. Or if you find the Rickhouse, it's the same price as the Angel Envy. Just buy the Wolcott Rickhouse. Hey, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.